Welcome to 2345 West Pinchot, Phoenix, Arizona. Our brand new remodeled listing north of Thomas Road, just east of the I-17. Very convenient to everything. Newer roof and air conditioner. Totally remodeled inside. 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,475 square feet livable. And it's very nicely done. Let's take a look inside. Whoa. Brand new cabinets, granite countertops, nickel hardware, undermount sink, stainless of course, new stainless appliance package, island kitchen, has a small pantry right here. Open floor plan, plank tile flooring, crown molding, new fans, windows, window coverings, all new hardware. It's a split bedroom plan. Each room has a ceiling fan. It's a really nice carpet package. Marble tile surround. Both bathrooms, totally new cabinetry, granite countertops, fixtures. Marble surrounds. The space in here is really nice because it's so open. All new everything. This area passes through to the 4th bedroom. Nice size room. Laundry area with all new cabinetry and matching granite countertops throughout the house. Bathrooms, kitchen, and in here. And then we have the pool with a nice ramada, just in time for summer. Large workshop, storage shed, whatever you want to make it back here. could be a bathhouse, changing room for the pool. Very versatile room. I have to think someone's really going to enjoy this backyard this year. This will be on MLS Lockbox and available after May 15th. Come see it.